Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the transparent speaker. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $1,100. I repeat, $1,100. Now this one comes in one color, black. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this one features Bluetooth pairing, or you can use a cable connection. Now you can wirelessly pair two of these together using true wireless stereo. Now this is made from an aluminum frame with transparent 6X tempered glass. Now you got 140 watt total output power with a 35 to 20 hertz frequency response. Now this features high quality DSP. That's your digital signal processing. You got two 3-inch full range drivers, one 6.5-inch woofer, and a Class D amplifier. Now the speaker weighs 24 pounds, and due to its modular design, it's forever upgradable. Alright, so all of that for $1,100. Let's see what it is. Alright, so let me show you something real quick. Now this is a premium presentation. Once you open up the box, you got a set of white gloves and a pouch. Now inside the box, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You got the white gloves, the pouch. You got some screws and brackets because you can mount this on the wall if you want. You got your plug and a 3.5 auxiliary cable. Now the speaker comes in a nice pouch also. Let's go ahead and enjoy that for a minute. Now this is the transparent speaker in full glory. And I gotta say, it looks absolutely beautiful. This is a showpiece. All glass, all aluminum, and fully transparent. Alright, so like I said, this speaker is 24 pounds. It's very heavy and sturdy, so you don't have to worry about your kids or your cat knocking it over. Now, if you look in the front, you can see your two 3-inch tweeters, your one 6.5-inch woofer, and there's your control panel. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so you got your power switch, you got a 3.5 input, and you got your volume, bass, and treble adjustment knobs. Now here's the speaker from the right side, clean and transparent. Here's the speaker from the left side, same thing, no lines, everything is clean and fully transparent. Now here's the speaker from the back. I love how you can see the internal components. Now in the back control panel, you have your Bluetooth pairing button. You got a 3.5 line in and line out. You got your plug input, and you got your speaker mode switch. That'll change between left, right, and stereo. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power up the speaker, go on the back, press the Bluetooth pairing button, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, and select the transparent speaker. Alright, so now let's do a little sound test. I'm going to start off with max volume, max treble, and max bass. Don't forget to put your headphones on. Okay, now I gotta say this. This speaker has amazing clarity. The highs and the mids are crisp. Let's try another song. Okay, now, the bass is bumping. I don't know if y'all see that woofer vibrating, but I got one more test song that's going to guarantee the bump. We got the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubier. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the transparent speaker a major go. I love this. The build quality is A1, the sound quality is excellent, and it looks magnificent. Now, I know what some of y'all getting ready to say. $1,100, that price is TGH. But look, here's what you got to remember. This is not a JBL boombox. This is not meant to take to the beach, okay? This is not for the backyard parties. This is not for a struggling college student sleeping on a futon. This is a big boy speaker. This is made for your man cave, your office, your den, your living room. This is a showpiece, okay? This is one of those products that you only got to buy once. Look how it looks. Look how classy this is. Classy, and it sounds amazing. This is a total win. Anyway, transparent speaker. Oh, on a side note, don't forget, true wireless stereo. You can pair two of these together. I'm definitely getting another one. This is incredible. Anyway, transparent speaker. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat was left. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the face look. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.